Welcome to A Life of Payne. I'm back. Thought I would do a video on can it be restored. So I got my flat top grill back. Looks like it'd been sitting outside and I don't know how to clean it. I've never cleaned one of these. This isn't a how-to video at all, so don't think this is going to work, but I'm gonna try and clean this grill. Here.
Dad, is it dirty?
I think so.
Daddy.
No, it's using Mommy's steel voice.
Can I see that?
Good idea. I don't know, Leia. I don't know. It's going to take more. Like something stronger. Like a freaking angle grinder or something. I don't know. Pretty corroded on there. Trying to do this as cheaply as possible. I think I already know where this is heading. I don't know, a wire brush. I don't think that's gonna work with a power drill. I don't think it's going to work. But anyway, I think just some good old elbow grease got some of this. Hey Leah, I just thought of something.
What?
So I have a power washer. It's probably too soon in the game to use it, but just for the simple fact of doing something else, like power washing would be kind of fun.
Yeah.
You want to power wash?
Yeah.
All right, let's power wash. Here, come record this.
Is it already recording?
Yeah, down there. You ever hold it with both hands? Hold it just like that. Well, what do you think, Leia? I think it needs a little bit more work to go, right?
Yeah.
See, look. It's just these big rust pockets. Feel this right here? Feel that?
Right here?
Yeah.
I don't feel the bumps.
No, now you see all these bumps here? Like over here. Alright, so we thought of something a little better. What if we use an impact drill, right?
Yeah!
Okay, I know what you guys are saying, dude. Just go get an angle grinder. I know, but I don't want to leave again. That's like the 4th time today, and I told you this isn't a how-to video, nor am I an expert at this, so just cringe through it with me. So I think that's just gonna call it for the day. Day 1 of cleaning the flat top grill. The final reveal. Leia, pour the water on here. Alright. Alright, so this is what I'm up against. So it's smooth surface here. And it's just all bumpy. This is what I was sanded down. And then it just, this whole piece looks like it just needs to get angle grinded off. But I think it's salvageable. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get for today. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Nobody wants to watch you play video games.
All right, lay down. We'll go to bed.